All right, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone, and welcome back to Authentic Media. So, I just opened my Verychat app right now, and I'm seeing this pop up right here. Okay, and it says you are eligible for migration. Please complete your application. Apply. Yeah, you are eligible for migration. Please complete your application. Apply. So I say I'll bring it right here for my community. Let's see it together. So whenever you see something like this, you will know what to do. So I've not opened it, but I want us to open it together right here. So as we all know, Verychat KYC verification started yesterday, which is 13th day of July 2026, and a lot of my community members have been invited. In fact, a lot of people have verified their own, and a lot of people also has been verified. In fact, as a matter of fact, one person just reached out to me right now that his account has been verified. So I really love this project called Verychat because they are very straightforward. When it comes to trustworthy, straightforward, leave it for Verychat. That is one thing I really love about them, and they prioritize their community very well. They always put their community first, and that is the success of any crypto project that really want to succeed and thrive. Okay, so I really love that for them. If Verychat tell you that they are going to be listing tomorrow, just know that they are going to be listing. Okay, that is how clear they are. That is how straightforward they are with their community. So far so good. As I was saying, most people have already been verified, and if you have not been verified, maybe you have not gotten the invitation. Just calm down, don't panic. It go reach you guys. Okay, it go reach everybody. So far, I say you are able to complete the snapshot that was took on that was taken on the 22nd of June. Once you are eligible, which is holding 500 Veri in your account and being an active miner, don't panic. Invitation is going to reach you. They have like 3 to 4 days to share the invitation, and the KYC will last from now till 2nd of August, and before 10th of August everybody are going to be migrated, right? So all the Verychats that you have in your dashboard right here are going to be migrated to your wallet. So no panic. I really trust these guys. I can vouch for them. Okay, so just stay tuned. So in your own case, if you are invited, this is where you are going to be seeing complete your KYC. But the reason why I'm seeing you are eligible for migration is because I've already completed my KYC initially when I got a node. So as we all know, node holders are not going to be verifying anymore. Like, node holders are not requested to re-verify their accounts because they are already with your identity. Okay, and also people that passed the first phase of KYC that happened last year are not to re-verify again, and those that have not are not to be re-verified again because we are already verified. So this is the first stage. Got your invitation, get your account verified, and wait to get this eligibility to migrate your token. So I wish all of us the best in this Verychat. So let's open it together and see where it takes us to. I think I have to do this for reference purposes. Damn. Alright guys, so there was a glitch in my recording, a hiccup, so I have to do pause and continue. So let's proceed and open this application together. So let me click on apply right here. Let's see where that will take us to. So click on apply, and let's watch and see. Okay, they are bringing up the form. I think we have a form to fill. Please try again in a moment. Something went wrong. Try again in a moment. Something went wrong. Try again in a moment. Okay, now here it is. I've already opened it. You are eligible for migration. Would you like to apply? Very will be paid to the Very wallet below. If you don't remember your PIN, check the hints. Check the hints in your wallet's creation email, right? So you have to make sure that the wallet address showing here is your own Very wallet address. Okay, so you see what they wrote right here. They say your mine Very is paid out to the wallet above in a single batch after every user's KYC is complete, not immediately upon individual approval. This wallet can only be opened with your PIN. If you don't remember it, check the hints in the email you received when you created the wallet. Your PIN cannot be recovered. If you don't know it after payout, the Very you receive cannot be retrieved. Well, you have to make sure that you are very careful with whatever you are doing right here in Verychat, because it's now getting more serious. Yes, it's now getting more serious. You have to pay close attention with every step you take, with every action you take. Make sure you are already on the right track. So this is what I have to do. First thing first, I will carefully go back to my wallet and verify that the wallet that I'm seeing right here is my actual very wallet before I go ahead and verify. So you guys should wait for me. Let me quickly do that. And that's exactly what everybody is going to do. Though I'm pretty sure that that is what they recommend for us, your wallet, actual wallet right here. But you just have to be very, very sure, okay? To be form one is to be form all. So let me quickly do that and we proceed. Alright guys, so I'm already in my very wallet. Let me just verify if the address that I'm seeing right there is my own. So this is how you verify. You come to your wallet. Once you enter your very wallet, you tap on receive. Once you tap on receive, then you look down right here to the very wallet that is here. Okay, so you compare and contrast to be sure if it's the same thing. So once you've confirmed that it's the same thing, then all you have to do is to go back and proceed with the application. That is if you have already gotten your own invite to come and submit. Okay, so I think I've seen it. Now let me now go back. Now let's repeat the process and click on apply, then wait for it to load up. Please try again from Verychat app. Come back. I think there's a lot of traffic on the network. That is why. So let me just refresh it and we move. Alright guys, so I'm back and I can now verify that the same address that I saw right here is the one in my wallet. So this is where they're going to be sending my very tokens. Alright, so this is what you have to do, and this is my observation. In case you are facing any network glitch or any network issue, maybe you have been invited to go and apply for your migration, but you are facing network challenge, all you have to do is just to apply a proxy. What do I mean? Connect a VPN and your network will be faster. Okay, so that's exactly the alternative that I used. You guys saw a network glitch in my screen quite not quite long. So I've connected a VPN and I'm using secure VPN for those that care to know. Okay, so and I'm now good to go. So like I said, my wallet is now verified, right? So all I have to do is just to scroll up a bit and okay, that's all I have to do. Scroll up a bit and check this button. I've verified the very wallet address above and know its pin. Sorry guys, I've verified the very wallet address above and know its pin. So you just have to check the button right here, then click on apply. Okay, so congratulations, your migration request has been submitted. Your MineVery is paid out in a single batch after these rounds. KYC and migration applications all close, right? So what they're trying to let us know is that because that I've applied right now doesn't mean that they are going to be migrating my very right now. No, all of us have to wait after the KYC phase gone and everybody that qualifies got their migration tickets, then we move, because this particular migration don't has anything to do with the one we are getting with the very capsule, right? So we are going to be getting our very in our wallet at the same time. So this is what they are trying to let us know. Because I've now applied doesn't mean they are going to be migrating my own token now. No, that is not what is going to happen. At the end of everything, everybody are going to be migrated at the same time in one batch before August 10. Okay, so you just have to confirm it. I think confirm it or whatever, all the same, your migration request has been submitted. Though the confirmation is not going, but my migration request has been accepted. So I can now come back to my Verychat account. Yeah. Let's wait for it to load. Let's see if there's anything we can see right there. Alright guys, so here we are. I'm back in my Verychat dashboard and they've already notified me in the Verychat chat section. So let's open it and you can see Verychat. Scroll up. Okay, Tuesday 14th July 2026. Now Verychat migration application received. Hello Authentic 367. This is Verychat. Your migration request has been successfully submitted. We will notify you once it has been reviewed and processed. Thank you. I really love Verychat, for real. I really love these guys. So that is just basically the update on how to apply for your migration once you are eligible to do that. So we just hope for the best and we wish the very ecosystem the best and thrive in what they are building for the community. So that is just basically the update right here. It's now time to grind hard, like grind as hard as you could. Right, it's now getting more interesting, for real. It's now getting more interesting. I don't really know, but it seems like if you fail to do your KYC and migration this time around, you may possibly have to wait till next year again, though we don't know the actual date for their TGE and listing. So I know these guys, they really have the interest of their community at heart. So if the TGE is going to be happening this year, I believe opportunity will still come up for verification and migration before the listing. But if it doesn't happen this year, then I think before you see anything like verification, KYC verification and migration should be next year. So if you didn't meet up in this batch, don't panic. All the best. So next year we go again, okay? But all the best. We just hope if they didn't list this year, they may list next year, probably Q1 of next year, anytime soon. So thank you guys. I'll see you in our next video. Wish Verychat the best. Thanks for watching and bye for now.